If we're able to cut down the spikes and increase the efficiency in the tools, it means they will last longer. It also means that the machine will waste less energy making the same parts. And that's where we use Vericut Optimizer.
It's connected through an interface, so from inside Gibbs Cam you launch Optimizer, but it can be connected to any CAM system as well, and it's a dialog box where you put your workpiece, your fixture, and the cutting tools, and then you run the so-called learn mode and have suggested limits. After that you optimize. The graphs we show, they showing the chip thickness and the cutting force, and those graphs are there for easily identify force peaks and chip thickness peaks, because you have to get rid of those to save the tool.
One of Sandvik's main strategies is to build solutions that are more integrated, and that will help customers a lot, being more efficient on their shop floor, in their programming processes, and being able to optimize their solutions.
We are able to analyze on different parameters to see how the tool is actually doing in the material, and you're able to optimize it by cutting down the spikes and increasing the areas where it's not very productive. We're able to get around 20-25% on the cycle time reduction. That means the tool will last longer. We're able to make more parts in the same time. This could help us very much in the future.
Those time reductions strongly relate to sustainability, meaning that, the program is run faster, spindle motor is active for shorter time. Also, for example, coolant pumps are running for shorter time. So the connection to sustainability with time reduction is very strong. Wallåkra is a really great example on the typical optimizer customer, because you do not have to be big. You do not have to have a CAM system. You can add on this last bit of tuning to update the feed rates and save time and tool wear.